As you're going on, you're shooting. I mean, that was a very intense scene that you guys shot in the alley, and you also had a very, very tough scene where in the alley. So I'm wondering, what is it like? Can any of you guys talk about sort of working out in the streets of LA, shooting those scenes? Does it make it easier for you to get into your characters?
I'll tell you what helps me. The sounds of those squibs and all these like fake explosions and such drop me right in. It's really not faking. Like people are ducking and diving and Titus run from that and duck from that and have this reaction. And it's like, absolutely. I will gladly be scared of the major sound happening by my head. You know what I mean? And then honestly, just being out in the field really kind of sets in how intense a cop's job is. Like really, in our make-believe world, even then, you're like, I couldn't do this.
Yeah.
Like that, it is hard.
Yeah.
It's hard to make those calls last minute. It's hard to take on whatever beast you're about to face. Like, it's intense.
I think that we train. When we're out on the field, it feels like we get to really utilize our training. And a lot of our training is, the tactical training is amazing. Chick Daniel is amazing at making sure we know exactly what we're doing and why we're doing it.
Is Chick Daniel your consultant?
Yeah, he's amazing.
He and Babu.
Babu, yeah. He and Babu are amazing and influential in what we do out there. And it feels like it's like you get your homework and you get the test when we get outside, because you have to think of it. The sun is hitting. It's, you know, the car, you can't get the car. And all of this is real. I mean, you get out and your gun gets caught on the door, or you didn't unbuckle your seatbelt, so you're trapped, or you left your door unlocked.
Or your gun jams.
Or your gun jams, and it doesn't work.
I had that
and then we think, real cops can't cut. They can't call cut. I'm gonna do it again. Right. I'm gonna get it right this time.
And like
we
she
can't
said,
do
the 5
that.
real bullets. Like,
Yeah,
I mean,
and it doesn't sound like a fake bullet.
No.
I don't know what a real, you know, real bullets are bullets. And it sounds loud and scary. And even when you shoot your gun, there's something that you feel that's weird. You know, it makes, especially in the different situations that we have on set, with every storyline that we have when we're utilizing it. It's just, it's hard to not be in the moment.
Yeah, and a lot of it is using your instincts. When we, talk to the officers, it's like, yeah, there's protocol, but at the end of the day, sometimes you just got to go with your gut and be extremely present, which you have to when your life is on the line.
Or pregnant.
Or pregnant.
Or pregnant.
Well, present.
Melissa,
Spoiler alert.